नाजरीन, आपको इरफान रशीद का सलाम पहुँचे। I would like to express some words in English regarding our friendship between China and Pakistan and other countries, especially Muslim countries. I offer back to Almighty Allah for solidarity of our nation, our country, and the people who are living their lives under compulsion. May our friendship with China flourish in centuries for the benefit of both the countries, for the benefit of all peace-loving countries, for which we are struggling a lot since August 14, 1947. Pakistan became into independence on August 14, 1947. But it is sorry to say that some countries getting their independence after Pakistan have achieved many progress, a lot of progress in economy, social, cultural, and other advantages, other fields. But the system of government in Pakistan is far away from real democracy. If democracy is seen here in its good smooth, in its good shape, Pakistan can get many achievements, many destinations profoundly regarding its environment, its regional situation, geopolitics, social activities, economic strength, and the people abroad, serving abroad, send their lot of money into Pakistan through remittances, but it is the destination economic achievements which could be achieved are never seen here due to the reason that here democracy is not seen in a good manner. The political parties mostly do not admit their defeat when they cannot get so much seats in National Assembly. In present days, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf got over 180 seats in National Assembly, but on Forum 47, the present government is serving the people, which is unjustly against our constitution. Thank you.